Most deaf, what's happening, MetaZoo community? Boys outside, and it is a beautiful day. I'm having so much fun out here living that creative life like I always do. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day as well. Also, at the end of the video, there's going to be MetaZoo booster pack rips, so make sure to check that out because we still trying to get them hits. We're going to be ripping MetaZoo for a while to come on this channel. And I also want to talk about the wonderful creator Cryptid Keeper TCG. That guy is doing some crazy things with MetaZoo. I think he's like buying all the 101 artwork or something. I think he has plans on giving some of the artwork out to the MetaZoo community. Go check his videos out. The details are there. Also, just his videos in general are great. He's a great content creator, always showing MetaZoo love, and it's fun and that positivity that I'm always looking for. And when I watch videos, go check out his channel. And for now, you guys can just kind of hang out with me in this video as I just kind of roam around this beautiful landscape that I'm at right now, just having a good day. I think it's very important that you try to find time to what I call cut out the noise in your life. Distraction noise that just keeps you up in your head. You know, like I'm constantly chasing this feeling of being free as possible, and ways for me is creating videos, doing photography, doing that. I'm in my zone and I'm cutting out unnecessary noise. Hope everyone out there has a format, a style of what I would call cutting out the unnecessary noise in your life to get that sense of being free. You know, I love being outside. It works for me. And you know, I'm not talking about like actual noises, you know, like I can have this feeling in the city. I am a city person who messes with nature heavily at the same time, but you know, New York City is like my heart. That is a place where I'm there walking around in that city. I get that sense of freedom. Strongly suggest that you constantly always try to make time for yourself to cut out the unnecessary noise. It could be being by yourself, it could just be being out in the forest, it could be being in the heart of Manhattan. You know, it's just that wonderful feeling that I think we need as humans. Freedom is close as we can get to that feeling as possible, as much as we possibly can get it, because life is hard and we have so many responsibilities that we may not necessarily consider fun, but I equivalent fun with freedom with being creative. You know, make sure you go out there, live that creative life, cancel that unnecessary noise whenever you can. Nightfall, oh scratch, yake, do, say, cha. Full hollow, mothman, wilderness green man, yake, do, say, cha. Full hollow, nightfall, yake, do, say, cha. Reverse hollow, UFO, space cards, yake, do, say, cha. Reverse hollow, seance, hateful eight, yake, do, say, cha. Reverse hollow, native 19, yake, do, say, cha. Reverse hollow, seance, yake, do, say, cha. Reverse hollow, Karami Mothman SR, yake, do, say, cha. Reverse hollow, seance, yake, do, say, cha. Full hollow, native, yake, do, say, cha. Reverse hollow, Karami, yake, do, say, cha. Reverse hollow, native, yake, do, say, cha. Full hollow, Magicast, full hollow, tops chrome, CNN1, Mothman, yake, do. Reverse hollow,